Yo, what's up, everybody? This Freakahzoid representing 10 Planet Vista, the Freak Show, and Phalanx family. I'm about to show you guys 20 ways to get into a truck. These are just 20 ways right now, real quick, but there's probably endless ways to get into a truck. Just think about all the possibilities. Don't sleep on the truck. Freaks don't sleep. 10 Planet Vista. Oos. Yo, that was 20 ways into the truck. Have fun with it. Be open-minded. Try to find your ways into a truck. There's endless possibilities, like I said before. I like to say thanks to my partner, Daniel Elizondo, for representing 10 Planet Vista and representing what I'm all about, the truck. Oos. Truck. I want to say thanks to my companion, my teammate, Daniel Lozano. Sorry, I don't know what I was going to say. I want you. You want to just introduce your. I should introduce you in the beginning, or should I just outro you?
You just do the outro.
All right, do it again.
Just do the
I'm gonna say I want to say thanks to my homie, my partner, Daniel Lozano.
reset. I was like, think about it.
Don't sleep on the truck, you know, cause the truck is the shit. Cut. One more.